Peachy, check out the junk food.
He goes like, oh, Joe, hush your faucet.
That is how the fart bomb smells across the... Look at me, he's like, I'm taking you down.
Peachy's like, what is that thing? Just leave alone, he's concentrating. Foster's being very good.
Don't crap on him.
Yeah.
Just don't crap on him. Like, I hate you so much, I fart like you.
Peachy's just really curious.
Like,
He's like,
Is that real? Are you real?
oh, run away, oh my god, run away. He's like, I'm gonna take you down, I'm gonna get you. This is so funny, because Peachy's just like running around the top here. I'm gonna get you.
No, maybe we should put Peachy a layer down, so see if we can get Peachy on his own cage. So they're at eye level with each other. Peachy's like, no.
I'm gonna put him down.
Oh, whatever, he's just a bird. Come on, turd bird.
I'm gonna jump back off.
How much more food do I have for my lizard?
That goes over
Mom,
to
do I have any more crickets?
Goes in the middle.
Foster's not sure. Foster's not sure. Oh, 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 oh.
Peachy's just like, coming for the prey. Thanks. I can see his tongue going like. So funny, Peachy's just like.
Oh, so cute. Oh my god. That's the song. Whoop. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. That's from like
Yeah.
that's from the Lady and the Tramp.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Well, they played
Peachy's
it
like,
that.
I want your seed. But Peachy's like, these are hard to climb on.
Are you peaching on his cage? Are you peaching on his cage? Aw. Oh, he's like, he's just like, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, should I go get him? Oh, come back. What you do? Run away? Okay. Oh, no. Keep Peachy's that way. Peachy's that way.